Shoeboxed Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Shoeboxed are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. Shoeboxed is a financial tool designed to simplify receipt management, expense tracking, and tax preparation for businesses, freelancers, and anyone dealing with a high volume of transactions. The core feature of Shoeboxed is its receipt scanning and categorization system, which allows users to scan receipts using their phone or mail them directly to Shoeboxed's processing center, where they are digitized and categorized. It also extracts key data such as date, vendor, amount, and payment type, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Additionally, Shoeboxed integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and Wave, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to automate their expense tracking. The app also features mileage tracking, which is useful for professionals who need to log business travel expenses. Shoeboxed is best suited for small business owners, self-employed professionals, and anyone who wants to streamline their bookkeeping. It's particularly useful for those who need to organize receipts for tax deductions or reimbursement purposes. The ability to mail in paper receipts makes it stand out from competitors, as it saves users time and effort. The app also allows users to generate expense reports and export data into different formats, which is helpful for tax filing and financial reporting. Now let's go over the strengths. The biggest advantage of Shoeboxed is its hands-free approach to receipt management. The mail-in service is a huge time saver for businesses dealing with large amounts of paper receipts. The automatic categorization and integration with major accounting software make it easy to maintain accurate records. Plus, the IRS-accepted digital copies mean users don't need to store physical receipts, reducing clutter and simplifying audits. However, there are some downsides. Shoeboxed pricing can be high for individuals or small businesses that don't have a large number of receipts to process. The scanning accuracy, while generally good, isn't perfect, and users may need to manually adjust some entries. Additionally, while the app is great for receipt tracking, it lacks advanced budgeting or financial planning tools found in other financial apps. Final verdict: if you need an efficient way to manage receipts, reduce paperwork, and simplify tax preparation, Shoeboxed is a strong choice. However, if you're looking for a full-fledged financial management tool with budgeting and investment tracking, you may need to look elsewhere. Check the links in the description for more details.